In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add games to your Google Sites. Whether you're looking to make your website more interactive or simply want to share your favorite games with your visitors, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and clear manner. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening your browser and heading over to the website crazygames.com. This site offers a wide variety of games, so you're sure to find something that suits your needs. Once you're on the homepage, take some time to explore around and find a game you'd like to feature on your Google site. Once you've found a game that piques your interest, you'll need to select it. This will take you to the games page where you can start playing, but for our purpose today we're going to go a step further. With the game page open, navigate to the address bar at the top of your browser and copy the entire URL. This URL is essential as it serves as the link to the game you wish to embed. With your game URL copied, the next step is to switch over to your Google Sites. Open Google Sites in a new tab. If you haven't set up a site yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once you are on your site, you're ready to embed the game into your content. Locate and click the Embed option within the Google Sites editor. This is usually found in the right-hand panel and allows you to add different types of content directly into your site. In the Embed window that opens, you'll see two options, by URL and Embed Code. For our tutorial, choose the by URL option. Here, in the URL field, paste the game URL link that you copied earlier. This tells Google Sites exactly where to pull the game from so that it can display it on your page. Once you've pasted the URL, click on Next. You'll then see a preview of the game that will appear on your site, giving you the chance to make any adjustments before finalizing the integration. The last step is to click on Insert. This action embeds the game directly onto your page, allowing your site visitors to play it without having to leave your site. And that's it. The game is now part of your Google site, enriching your content and engaging your audience. Remember, this process can be repeated with different games or even other media types, giving you flexibility in how you choose to enhance your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore and customize your site further, and happy gaming.